If your car just threw a P0100 code, don't panic. That's the mass airflow circuit malfunction code, and it's usually a lot easier to fix than it sounds. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel where we make car care simple, fun and stress-free. Today, what causes P0100 code, how to diagnose it, and the easiest at-home fix. Let's get into it. What is it? P0100 code. P0100 code means your engine isn't getting a clean signal from the mass airflow sensor, the part that tells your ECU how much air is coming in so it can mix the right amount of fuel. Symptoms: P0100 code. Rough or shaky idle. Sluggish acceleration. Worse gas mileage. Occasional dark exhaust smoke. Random stalling, especially when slowing down or stopping. Common causes: P0100 code. Dirty MAF sensor. Clogged air filter. Cracked or leaking intake hose. Loose or damaged wiring connector. Worn out MAF sensor. DIY fix P0100 code. The MAF sensor sits between your air filter and throttle body. Pop it out carefully and check the thin sensing wire inside. There's dust and oil buildup here is the usual culprit. Spray it with a proper MAF cleaner, holding the sensor with the wire pointing down so debris falls away instead of collecting. Let it air dry completely, then reinstall and reconnect it. Once it's back in, clear the code with your OBD2 scanner and take it for a short drive. Light stays off, you're done. Light comes back, you're likely looking at a vacuum leak or a wiring issue instead. P0100 looks scarier than it is, and most of the time, a simple cleaning solves it. If this video helped you out, drop a like and hit subscribe for more car care tips. Got questions or a car problem you want me to cover? Leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. This has been Car Care Fix.